So we have this really crazy guy that's decided that he likes polishing airplanes, and so we're gonna give him a try. John, why don't you show us what you got to polish?
Oh, we got side panel.
The side panel for the all the works on the side of the aircraft. It's gonna go over there. You can just barely see that on the other side of the engine. So we'll let him. We're not gonna do that side. We're gonna give him a try and see how he does, and I'll get back to you. So John, what's the process here? What are you doing?
Clean it up real good, make sure it's nice and get some of the goobers off, and then get some compound we'll rub on there, just little spots at a time, make sure that it buffs out good. And it'll turn black, and then you buff the black off of it.
Okay.
It'll pull the oxidization off.
And this will last forever, right? Up until the next time?
Until the next 300 bugs hit it. And then, yeah, it'll wipe down real clean, real easy. Once you get down to the nice, good, smooth metal, it'll pop spot here. It's getting black. So once you get black, then it start to, oh yeah, she's starting to shine.
Cool.
So the first couple seconds. The trick to this is don't wear good clothes. If you go too fast, you'll burn it. You take a chance on the burning when you slow.
Oh, if you go too fast, okay.
Especially the edges.
Yeah.
So here's the next panel John's going to do. And remember, this metal is 80 years old. And who knows what mistreatment happened to it over the years. But here's the one he's finished with. And I can see myself in the shine. Very nice.